Hello everyone, I am Dr Kamran, second year pediatric resident from PMCH Patna, and I've done my MBBS from All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Bhopal. So दोस्तों, मेरी लास्ट वीडियो में तुम में से कई लोगों ने ये पूछा कि मेरा प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट क्या है. यू वांटेड टू सी माय प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट. मैंने पिछली वीडियो में भी तुम्हें बताया था कि हाउ टू प्रिपेयर योर ओन प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट, बट आई वांटेड टू मेक इट मोर क्लियर इन दिस वीडियो कि हाउ एग्जैक्टली यू शुड मेक योर प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट. क्योंकि बहुत सारे बच्चों ने मेरा प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट देखना चाहा, तो मैं उन्हें बता दूं कि वो प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू मी था. उसमें जो भी क्राइटेरियाज थे, जो भी फैक्टर्स मैंने लगाए थे, वो मेरे अकॉर्डिंग थे, बट इट कैन डिफर फॉर एवरीवन. So इसलिए in this video we are going to see कि how we can make our own preference list. But if you are not sure कि मैं किस preference list के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ, तो I would recommend कि पहले तुम जाके मेरा ये वाला वीडियो देखो जिसमें कि मैंने NEET PG काउंसलिंग को डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन किया है. उसके बाद इस वीडियो पे आओ तो तुम्हें थोड़ा ज्यादा बेहतर क्लियर आइडिया मिलेगा. ओके, सो लेट्स बिगिन टुडेज वीडियो. इस वीडियो में मैं तुम्हें बताऊंगा कि आखिर तुम्हें NEET PG के लिए अपना प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट कैसे बनाना है. बेसिकली तुम्हें वो लिस्ट ऑफ कॉलेजेस कैसे बनाने हैं जो तुम फाइनली अपने काउंसलिंग में चूज करने वाले हो. ये जो लिस्ट है उसके लिए तुम्हें कुछ रॉ मटेरियल्स चाहिए. तो व्हाट आर द रॉ मटेरियल्स यू आर गोइंग टू हैव? फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट इज द लिस्ट ऑफ कॉलेजेस. अब कॉलेजेस का लिस्ट ही नहीं होगा तो तुम कैसे बना पाओगे? तो फर्स्ट इज कॉलेज के लिस्ट, जो कि तुम्हें MCC के वेबसाइट पे मिल जाएगा. इसमें से मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स तुम्हें MCC के वेबसाइट पे मिल जाएंगे और कुछ चीजों के लिए तुम्हें अपने हाथ पैर मारने पड़ेंगे. तो फर्स्ट इज कॉलेजेस के लिस्ट जो तुम्हें MCC की वेबसाइट्स पे मिल जाएंगे. Now second is about the stipend. अब स्टाइपेंड कितना कहाँ मिलता है ये तुम्हें डिफरेंट वेबसाइट्स पे मिल सकता है, बट उससे बेटर आई वुड सजेस्ट कि जब सीट मैट्रिक्स अपलोड होती है ऑनलाइन वेबसाइट पे, तभी हर कॉलेज के डिटेल्स भी अपलोड होते हैं जिसमें तुम्हें स्टाइपेंड और बॉन्ड पीरियड दोनों के बारे में डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलती है. तो वो ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट्स होती है, वो कॉलेज अपनी तरफ से सबमिट करती है, तो दैट्स द मोर प्रेफर्ड साइट. तो वो सोर्स है, वहां से तुम कॉलेज के स्टाइपेंड की जानकारी ले सकते हो, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो गेट अ बॉन्ड डिटेल्स. एंड नाउ कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज द फीस. नाउ फीस इज ऑल्सो यू कैन गेट फ्रॉम MCC वेबसाइट, और या फिर तुम डिफरेंट कॉलेजेस के वेबसाइट्स पे जाकर के भी कॉलेज के डिटेल्स में पता कर सकते हो. कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट इज क्लोजिंग रैंक. नाउ क्लोजिंग रैंक इसलिए इंपॉर्टेंट है ताकि तुम्हें रियलिटी चेक बार बार मिलता रहे जब भी तुम अपना प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट आगे देखो. ओके, तो क्लोजिंग रैंक तुम्हें ऑब्वियसली तुम्हें सीट अलॉटमेंट लिस्ट से मिलेगा. अब लिस्ट को कैसे एनालाइज करना है ये मैंने ऑलरेडी उस वीडियो में डिस्कस कर रखा है. इफ यू वांट वी कैन मेक वन न्यू वीडियो इन डिटेल डिस्कसिंग हाउ टू एनालाइज लास्ट ईयर अलॉटमेंट लिस्ट, बट इस वीडियो में वी विल स्टिक टू आवर प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट. So these are the raw materials we want for our preference list. Now let's begin to make our preference list. For this, I would request you all to open your laptop or computer and open MS Excel, and we shall go forward with it.
So hello everyone, this is the complete list which I have prepared 2 years back for my NEET PG. In my preference list, first I have put Pediatrics, after that DNB Pediatrics, NBBS Pediatrics, and then General Surgery. Okay, so we will start with our list making. On the first column we have to write the department because that's the most important thing, and how to choose your branch and department we have discussed in the video, and we can discuss pros and cons of specific branches in different video in near future, but till coming forward. So this is the department. Here we have to put department name. Okay, that's easy, we don't have to do much here. Now second is the hospital name. In hospital name you have to write different colleges name. Now how you are going to choose these all list, it depends on these all parameters. Okay, so according to these parameters we are going to put our preference order in this colleges. Now see, I have put MMC at the very first position, obviously because Delhi colleges are better in all possible terms. Now toxicity is a major concern now that can actually degrade such rankings, but even till now people prefer Delhi over other colleges. Okay, so first I have put MAMC. You can see here I have also mentioned the state and the city. Now these are not that important points, but it's better to keep it more oriented. Now year of bond, here I have mentioned that, see, the most advantage which we get in Delhi is that there is zero bond. Okay, that's why most people prefer it, and as you go down the year of bonds gradually increases, or it's either 1, 2, 3. Okay, now then also the next important point is salary and stipend. Now you can see that here almost all Delhi colleges have 1 lakh plus salary, and other colleges have respective. Now these data might have changed now because for every 3 year things got changed and updates, so you should you should mention here the latest data, because when I applied for my PG, the colleges at Bihar used to give 68,000. Okay, but now it has increased to almost 80 to 90 k. So these changes So this kind of situation can be for other colleges too. So the next point is fees. You can see I have mentioned the fees of different colleges. Now definitely not all colleges, because I didn't get that official link, but I got the information from different other websites. So I didn't got details of all colleges regarding the fees, but I think the most important ones I have got it. Now the closing rank. Now closing rank I have mentioned for NBEMS round 1 and round 2 because I thought that was more important. But definitely if you get the closing rank details, you have to put it also. Now this closing rank will actually give you the reality check. Okay. Now closing rank you can get from your allotment list, last year's seat allotment list. Depending on all these factors, we have to put our college accordingly. See, I have put MMC first, okay, then RML, then UCMS, all these because of pediatrics. I got some little information about different colleges because but I know these are the colleges I am not going to get for sure because my rank was not up to that mark. My rank was 6700, which I knew from the beginning that it's very hard to get that colleges. So I have put this in the starting, but why to miss any chance? So I have put these all colleges in the beginning. Now the order depends both on the year of bonds and the stipend. That you can see that all the starting colleges have both good number of they have no bounds or good stipend or salary, and these are the cities which are better in terms of life, you can say. So I chose that much point for making my preference list. Now you can see I have got PMCH, okay, and PMCH was 21st in my preference list. So these all greens were actually the colleges where I would have taken without any second thought, because these are the good colleges in terms of pediatrics. Because although you can see in Kolkata the salary is also less and bond period is also 3 years, so I put all these in lower position as compared to my other colleges. Okay, now you can see in PMCH also the bond period is 3 years, but since it's my parent state, so I can't afford serving bond period at my own state, because anyways it's going to help in my future career. So coming to my this orange list. Now see, these orange lists are those lists I have told in my previous video also that these orange lists are less preferred colleges as compared to these green ones. Now these are less because of the quality of the colleges, no doubt. The first is the quality as compared to other colleges. Second is all these have either good number of bond period and either toxicity, or I have inquired particularly from these colleges that the department is not that well as compared to the upper ones. Now see, these are not bad colleges for any matter, but as compared to above colleges, these are less good in terms of pediatrics. Okay, now coming to these colleges. Now these colleges are the least in my priority list. There are also many colleges, but which I have not put in my list because I didn't consider them good for me. But these are the colleges which are of least priority for me, because it's not that these colleges are bad. In fact, I have got in my first counseling NEET PG. I know that this college was not for me, or that I don't want this college, but since I have put it in my list, so I have put it in my counseling allotment also. These colleges are least priority. Just in case if I got any of them, I would definitely choose it, but if I got any chance to upgrade or like change, then definitely that would be a better option for me. So these were such colleges. Now coming to DNB. Now in DNB, state and all is secondary thing, but the first important thing is the number of beds. Now here only I have mentioned only those colleges which have good number of pediatrics bed in their colleges, and for DNB I have chosen these many colleges because see, definitely there is no bond in DNB, and the salary is also quite good, but again several states offer very less, like in Kolkata and Bangalore, Chennai, they offer only 40 to 50,000, and I think for PG it's not that sufficient. And these were the closing rank for that year. Now definitely the things might have changed now, so you have to update accordingly. Now my second preference was general surgery, so I have put, now these lists is slightly changed from the pediatrics one because surgery has different scheme and different parameters to discuss. So this was my surgery. Now I would suggest everyone to keep at least plan B for yourself, because just in case if you're in a borderline rank, if you didn't manage to get pediatrics or your first preference, you have the second preference in hand. So this is going to be your second preference. So always have plan B for yourself if you are planning to choose colleges in this year only, and if you don't want to skip any chance. So this was the complete list, guys. So like this you can make your own preference list. No, I would add one more point here, that definitely this is not something which I have done in a day. It almost took me around 1 week time to put all the data here. Now this data is not time consuming, but the point is that you have to arrange it in this order. That's what takes time, and this is like day by day you get some information of some colleges, and you shift this rank, shift this list from here. For example, you shift this list from, you can cut it from here and you can paste it here. So I did it like many times, cut it here and paste it here. Like that I keep on modifying my list, and after almost after almost an year, like after almost a week, I got final list. And this is the same list where I uploaded in my NEET PG counseling allotment on the website. Now since there is no particular list. Now in the counseling website, if you not attended until now, you will see that there are list of colleges according to the name, like according to the in alphabetical order. Okay, so there is very difficult to choose one colleges and leave other, because there are many colleges which you haven't heard about it. So having this kind of list makes it very easy, because you will just go and you will search for MMC. You will give it first, and then you will select RML, you will give it second position, and then UCMS. So like that you are not going to miss important colleges. So I would suggest everyone to go through this and make your own preference list, keep modifying it every day, and keep getting knowledges of different colleges of a particular department. So this is how you are going to make your preference list. So that's it for today. I think this video had helped you. So this NEET PG counseling is hell confusing, and it's cumbersome, but I'm trying to make it simple for you, so that you get a clear idea about what to choose and what not. And if you want details regarding any other topic in this particular niche like NEET PG counseling, do comment and I will try to make video on that topics too. So thank you so much, and we'll meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye.